हेलो गाइज मु गौतम आपको स्वागत कर अति प्रिय यूट्यूब चैनल स्कॉलर मेट ओडिया को। आज मैं पढ़ा अन्य जिके 14 नंबर पार्ट। जब आप बाकी 13 जाक देखी ना निश्चित भाव में जातु प्लेलिस्ट को जातु जिके प्लेलिस्ट को सेठी आप बाकी 13 वीडियो पाइपर। ओके चलते आरंभ करिबा। आज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आप 0 आवर डज नॉट कम अंडर लेजिस्लेटिव कंट्रोल ओवर administration, true or false? 0 hour does not come under legislative control over administration, true or false? This is true. Okay, who propounded the theory of innovation theory of profits? Theory of innovation theory of profits, J.A. Schumpeter. Okay, J.A. Schumpeter propounded. In AC circuits, AC meters measures RMS values. When a light wave is reflected from a mirror, there is a change in its amplitude. Okay, solar energy is due to fusion reaction. Under perfect competition, the industry does not have any excess capacity because each firm produces at the minimum point on its long run average cost curve. ENIAC was an electronic computer, like जोटा कि आम कहते ENIAC. Okay, ENIAC electronic computer. Coins made of metal first appeared in later Vedic age. Metal जो coin देखा जाता later Vedic age रे देखा जाता. A natural region has the similarity of climate and natural vegetation. Okay, climate and natural vegetation, natural region similarity हुए. From the bark of which plant is quinine extracted? Bark of cinchona. Okay. Next, 371. When water itself combines chemically with some element of mineral, it is called hydration. Hypertension is the term used for increase in blood pressure. Increase in blood pressure, hypertension is the term. Navjivan newspaper had been edited by Mahatma Gandhi. Study dealing with the interactions of same species of living organism with their non-living environment. এটা হচ্ছে অর্টিকোলজি. The contractile proteins in a muscle are actin and myosin. The novel White Tiger, which won the Booker Prize 2008, is authored by Arvind Aditya. The electronic configuration of an atom having atomic number is 20 is configuration केमी देता है 2882. The vertical movement of air is termed as air current. Crop rotation helps to eliminate parasites which have selective hosts. Acute lead poisoning is also known as plumbism. Next, 381. The major component in LPG is propane. The most reactive among the halogen is chlorine. शिवसमुद्रम इज एन आइलैंड फॉर्म्ड बाय द रिवर कावेरी. शिवसमुद्रमटा अच्छी जो आइलैंडटा कौट अच्छे कावेरी अच्छे. एन एरिया लीगली रिजर्व्ड फॉर वाइल्ड लाइफ इन इट्स नेचुरल सराउंडिंग्स इज बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. 0 hour is at the discretion of the speaker. Elasticity of demand measures of the responsiveness of the quantity demanded of good to a change in the price of the good. Consumption function express the relationship between consumption and income. Mixed economy refers to the coexistence of public as well as private sector. It is very important. Okay, mixed economy का कहूँ ना public sector एवं private sector both works. Parliament exercise control over public expenditure through Comptroller Auditor General of India CAG द्वारा करता है. Who was the court poet of हर्षवर्धन? हर्षवर्धन court poet किए थे ना बाणभट्ट, जे कि हर्षचरित करथिले हर्षचरित. ओके, बाणभट्ट कौन करथिले हर्षचरित. ओके, एटा रचना करथिले. तापर जो नेक्स्ट अछि द जजेस ऑफ हाई कोर्ट आर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटेड ओथ ऑफ ऑफिस बाय द चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ हाई कोर्ट. ओके, व्हिच स्लोगन वाज गिवन बाय द फ्रेंच रिवोल्यूशन टू द वर्ल्ड? लिबर्टी, इक्वालिटी, फ्रैटर्निटी. दिस इज मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट. Many times this question comes in exam. Okay, the President of India can issue a proclamation of national emergency only on the written recommendation of the cabinet consisting of only cabinet ministers of the union. Cabinet minister माने consist करले सेटा कौन होता है national emergency टा कहता है. The example of The example of hermaphrodite animal in which cross fertilization occur is earthworm. Blubber is a layer of thick fat. The the coding the coding segment of DNA is called codon. Silk is produced by larva of silkworm. The Purna Swaraj resolution was adopted in the annual session of the Indian National Congress held at Lahore. This is also very important. Okay, this is also very important. Okay, Swaraj अधिवेशन Swaraj resolution को पास ହେଇଥିଲା प्रथमे सेटा होची लाहौर अधिवेशन. Okay, go back to Vedas. This call was given by Dayanand Saraswati. This is also very important. Okay, all questions are important, but which I marked the questions. This is very important. These questions always come in exam in many times. Okay, the natural gas across the mountains which provide roads are called passes. Natural gas mountains भतर जो natural gas सेला कोन कोन passes कोनते. Thank you guys. जदि वीडियो भल लागिछ निश्चित भाव लाइक करबा सहित चैनल टी सब्सक्राइब करिवे एवं कमेंट करिवे जहाँ भी नीड अछि आउ किछि त्रुटि थिला निश्चित भाव रे क्षमा करिवे एडजस्ट करिया पय अनुरोध आ सपोर्ट करिवे जेहेतु चैनल टी नुआ आपन सपोर्ट जोगो आमु बेटर करिया पय चेष्टा करिवे. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.